Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. So today I've taken one question which is a sample question from Mathematics Olympiad. That is, it is a combination of exponential as well as trigonometry. So the question is, if x is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to pi, solve 81 raised to the power sine square x plus 81 raised to the power cos square x is equal to 30. First, we must recall the relation between sine square x and cos square x. So, sine square x plus cos square x is always 1 for any value of x. If I represent the cos square x, I can replace by 1 minus sine square x, or if I want to replace sine square x, I may write 1 minus cos square x. So here, to bring into one form, I'll replace this cos square x as 1 minus sine square x. So I'll rewrite this expression 81 raised to the power sine square x plus 81 raised to the power 1 minus sine square x equal to 30. Next, I'll apply the concept exponential. What is it? A raised to the power m minus n can be written as a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. So in the next line, second term will be written as 81 raised to the power 1 upon 81 raised to the power sine square x is equal to 30. So 81 sine to the power sine square x, let me take as y. Let this is y. Then the equation can be represented as y plus 81 over y is equal to 30. Now it has come to a familiar shape, or simplifying, I'll get y square plus 81 over y is equal to 30. Again on cross multiplication, I am getting y square plus 81 is equal to 30y, or this will be y square minus 30y plus 81 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can factorize or we can solve using the formula. So I am simplifying by splitting the middle term. 30 I'll split as 27y minus 3 times of y. This makes you minus 30 plus 81 is equal to 0. And 27 multiplies 3 makes 81. So now taking y common, I'll get y minus 27 and minus 3 common. Again I'll get y minus 27 is equal to 0. So this gives me two factors. One is y minus 27, y minus 3 is equal to 0. Or this gives me y is equal to 27 and y is equal to 3. Or it's not and, or y is equal to 3. So when y is equal to 27, this means that I have taken y is equal to this one, 81 raised to the power sine square x is equal to 27. Then again I'll come to exponent. A raised to the power m raised to the power n, it can be written as a raised to the power m into n. So 81 I'll convert as 3 raised to the power 4. 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4. And this 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied to the power sine square x will become 3 raised to the power 4 sine square x. So 81 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. Or base are equal, so exponent will be equal. So 4 sine square x is equal to 3. Now when 4 sine square x is equal to 3, sine square x is equal to 3 by 4. And sine x is equal to square root of 3 by 4, that will be plus minus under root 3 by 2. So I'll come one by one. One is sine x is equal to plus root 3 by 2. Now the value is given, x is in between 0 to pi. So first principal value is, we know that sine 60 degree or pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. That is 60 degree. So first value is 60 degree. Second can be written as sine. So in second quadrant it is also pi minus pi by 3. That value is also root 3 by 2. So x is equal to 1 is pi by 3 and 1 is 2 pi by 3. Then I am not going further because it will cross your pi. It will be pi plus something, 180 plus. So I will limit the value between this interval. So within this, x is equal to root 3 by 2 positive is in this is the value this. Now coming to negative, sine x is equal to negative root 3 by 2. Sine x is never negative in this interval. Is not possible. Because from 0 to pi means I'm in the first quadrant. Sine x is not always sine x is positive. Here is also sine x positive. So it is not possible. Now coming to other one. So we got one value. Let me go back. One is y was 27 and y was 3. 27 we finished. Then I will go to y is equal to 3. Second case. Y is equal to 3 means 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 3. Same logic will apply. 3 raised to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3 means 3 raised to the power 1, or 3 raised to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3 to the power 1, or taking this base are equal, so exponents will be equal. So 4 sine square x is equal to 4. So what about sine square x? It will be 1 by 4. Then what will be sine x? Sine x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Here also there are two values. One is sine x is equal to plus half. That means within this 0 to 180, half means it is your sine 30 degree, or that will be pi by 3. Oh, sorry, pi by 6. Sine pi by 6. Next is sine pi minus pi by 6. So x is, one value is pi by 6, other is pi minus pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. What about the sine x minus half? So here's Next is sin x is equal to negative half. Oh, you know now, because it is not possible. In 0 to negative, because x is always, sin x is always positive. So if x is in between 0 to 180, then x is equal to the values. One is pi by 6, pi by 3, 2 pi by 6, 2 pi by 3, and 5 pi by 6. So here we got two values. One is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. And here we got two values. One is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. So these are the four values possible for this equation. Thank you for watching.